What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting video planned out for you guys. I am currently in my room. Let me give you guys the clear picture, and this is what my room looks like right now. Oh, it's super plain. There's not really much to it. I have pictures, wall art, my little corner with the lamp, and then I have two big dog beds. This is actually Nova's little igloo that she loves. There's a little Tempur-Pedic bed in there for her. Yeah, this is my room. Nothing fancy. There's a big mirror right here. Basically, I am going to be going to Ross, Marshall's, and I think I might hit up some thrift stores. Yeah, I want to transform my room into like a vibe, something cozy, something cute, brings it in together, because I don't feel like my bedroom has much flavor right now. I can already think of so many things I want to add. As of right now, that's the clear spectrum. I will see you guys in my car when I get to the store. I will be bringing Jordan with me, so she's going to be my little assistant helping me, because we all need somebody there to help us, you know. That was basically it for right now. I will see you guys in my car. So guys, we just got to Ross. We love Ross. I'm sure I'm gonna find a million bazillion things. All right guys, so far I really like this, and then Jordan found me a really
oh, it's very fragrant candles, orange bergamot patchouli.
It smells so good, guys.
Yeah, looking at it you can tell.
Yeah, like can you smell it?
I wish there was a way to get the smell through the camera, because this thing is
it's magical.
Like you can smell through the mask.
These things are pretty cool because but this one was only $8 at Ross. They have some hefty candles. These burn for a long time. So it's a nice little natural scent.
So I'm gonna add that. The curtain lights, the wall decor. This is another wall decor I got. Super simple, and I love it. I love that quote, like 100% me. And then I got this dry erase marble to match the throw. I also got this really comfy looking comforter. It's like an off-white white, and that should make this bed look so much more puffy. All right, so I set you guys down. We're gonna start just doing things around the room. You guys will probably see us, but yeah, we're gonna get started. Spending, I believe, $112. So it's little, I guess it's not a lot, but if you're on a budget it can be a lot, but 112 was totally worth it for me to make my room look like this. Okay guys, so I am finally done putting this place together. It looks so cute and so different and cozy, and I am just so excited to work on this video for you guys and hang out in here tonight. I hope you guys like it as much as I like it. I am gonna start in sections. That was my dresser. I don't know if you guys remember, but it was like so messy, full of stuff. So I went ahead and cleaned it up and added this tray. It's like a gray wood tray, and I added me and Peyton's favorite books, our remote for our electric heater, and for our TV. This cute little elephant decor that I love so much. There's like little rock pebbles in it, and then super cute. I love elephants. And then I lit up that candle I added a picture of Apollo, and that's basically it for there. I wanted to keep it pretty clean and empty just because it's better that way. I left my plant and the lights there just because I wanted this corner to be focused on like looking very green and simple. On this shelf, I put this really inspiring wall art. Believe in yourself, be you. That is like my motto, 100%. Always encouraging people to believe in themselves and to be yourself. There's only one, so why not? I added to that corner this like vase with these plants. I don't even know what kind of plants these are. They're not even real as well, so like no idea what that was trying to mimic, but it looks really cute. Up here I have a wall art of the world. Honestly, I'm still pretty iffy about wanting that there. I might keep it there, I might not, but as of now I'm just gonna leave it there. That's basically it for that corner. It just looks nice and cozy. Me and Peyton's date from when we first started dating, and then I love you forever. Just thought it looked cute, and of course I'll love you forever. I left the lamp in that corner because I just love it there. I added my little aloe vera, my Alexa, and then another picture of Apollo, and I just kept the bottom one empty because I don't need anything down there. So my favorite thing of all, on the wall I put this like cute little love metal sign, I guess. They're supposed to be curtain lights. It looks super cute. I love it. It makes the room look just so cozy and so cute. I love it. I left that there, but I did organize a little bit of the pictures on it. I still want to add more pictures, but as of now it's adorable and it matches with my little tray, so I thought I just brought it all together. For the bed, I switched my bed around and I put it in that corner. I love the throw so much. I'm still deciding if I like these, but I mean, I'll keep them for now. I might just buy another one that's thicker. Yeah, that's that for the bed. You know, you can't really go wrong with white, and I added this like marble throw, which I love the gold. The gold really complements the love sign on that wall, so love this. I didn't really change much, but I added like essentials and like little things just to like complement the room and make it look cozier, because everybody loves a cozy room. Can't emphasize cozy enough. But yeah, that's basically it. I really hope you guys liked this video. I had so much fun making this today and putting all of this together. My room was long overdue for a makeover, so yeah. Comment, like, and subscribe if you guys like this video. There's gonna be lots like this coming, especially for fall that's coming. I love fall so much, so I have so many ideas on what I'm gonna do, but I will see you guys next week and next week's video. Love you all. Bye.